Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Okay, so yesterday, if you watched my video, you saw that I actually swapped some ZoidPay into EGLD, and I moved the EGLD from the MultiversX platform, the XPortal app, if you like, or my non-custodial wallet as it is. I moved it from there into Bitget. I then sold the EGLD for USDT. I bought some Bitcoin with it, and what I did was I did a short, quite an aggressive short with like 50x leverage, as the price went down from 59,260 down to 58,000, and by doing so I made 105%, so I pretty much doubled the money there. That was good. And then what I did at that point, I reversed the trade, so I basically went into a long and I'm riding it back up. Now in the process I've taken profit, and then I've added to it and taken away and all sorts of things really. So my current position isn't amazing, but it isn't too bad actually. It's where is it now? 20% in profit, which is 0.002 Bitcoin. That's worth about $124. So not amazing, but not bad. It does mean that overall, the $800 or so I took out of the MultiversX platform is now worth about $1,000. So overall, I made about $200 yesterday, which is okay. I'm happy with that kind of level of income. That's good. If I could do that every day, I'd be quite happy. So let's try and do it. So at the moment, I've got this trade going here, and I put a stop loss in profit there. I've made reasonable money today, so I might actually just move that back a little bit further. So it'll probably just about cover the fees if the price does come down. But I am reasonably confident it might go up actually, and I'll show you why. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin USD perpetual price on Bitget on TradingView. And I've got these EMAs here. These are the ones I talk about all the time now. If you want to know about these, go to the video that's linked at the end of this video, and I'll show you how to set them up and also how I use them to identify a bottom, which I didn't do brilliantly last time, but not bad. What we're looking for here really is this yellow line crossing the green line on the highest time frame possible. And at the moment, we're on the 30-minute time frame. So the yellow is a 21 EMA, that's an exponential moving average, and the green is a 55 EMA. The cyan there is a 9 EMA. So generally what you want to see, and I know I keep saying this all the time, but you want to see the cyan sort of leading the way, so that's up there, and that will hopefully drag that yellow one over the green. Now when that happens, that's normally a very bullish sign. If we look back in the past, that's the opposite. That's when it went down. But let's find out when it went bullish. Okay, so that's then. Okay, so that was Friday the 23rd of August. Okay, and what happened after that? So it went from that level there up to $64.9 thousand, which is about a 7% increase. Obviously, if you're using leverage, say for example using 10x leverage, that would be a 70% increase, which would be rather nice, wouldn't it? So that's what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for some sort of action like that, but I do need the yellow and the green to actually cross. Now this candle closes in 4 minutes 34 seconds, and I'm wondering if that's going to be enough just to make them cross. Okay, so it's just after 1 o'clock now in the UK, and that wasn't quite enough just to make the yellow cross the green, but they are touching now, so I'm quite pleased to see that. The price came back a little bit. It went as far as like 60,474 and then sort of retraced a little bit, just by a couple of $100. So let's hope we see some more upwards movement here. Now it looks like we've got something happening here at 130, which is the GDP growth rate quarter on quarter second estimate. I don't know. Okay, don't know exactly what that is, but that's probably going to be good or bad, isn't it? So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. By then, I should be at the next 30-minute candle, so hopefully that will be going in the right direction. Okay, so I got totally distracted there, and about 50 minutes has passed since that last part of the video. So this is what happened. I don't know if this is good or bad. GDP growth rate sounds like it's good, doesn't it? So 3 and 2.8 was forecast. When things are usually better than forecast, that's normally a good sign. And yeah, look here, this 30-minute time frame, we've now got a cross of the yellow and the green, which is great. And we've actually only got another 4 minutes before the next candle closes, so I'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, so 2 p.m. in the UK, and that candle did close nicely in the green, and this is now a definite cross. I would say, unless anything goes really wrong in the next sort of like few hours, this is looking very bullish indeed. And the kind of thing I'd be looking for with this is, the next biggest time frame, the 45-minute. I'd be looking for a cross there as well. And eventually, I'd want to see it on the 1 hour time frame and even the 4 hour. See, the 4 hour's got a long way to go, but the cyan is starting to turn positive there, which is great news. So, could that have been a bottom there at 57.8? I hope so. So I'm a bit bored with all this down. Okay, so that one just filled there. The time now is 14:26 in the UK. So that means it's about the start of the New York Open. So you usually see some volatility in this like half hour between 2:30 and 3 o'clock. I think bearing that in mind, I think I will just push my stop loss up a little bit just in case there's any wild swings. But I'm not expecting too much today because nothing much is happening as far as I know. That's what I'm doing there. Over on MultiversX, I think I might do a similar thing, I think I might just see what I can get from there and put it into Bitget and trade with it. Because at the moment, with the price of Bitcoin having pulled back so far, I think it's, it's just a good opportunity to sort of trade a bit of Bitcoin. If you want to do the same, you can use Bitget here. This is the one I'm using here. You can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus if you use my link, which is savewith.crypto.org/Bitget. That obviously depends on the initial deposit you make and your trading volume. Also, I can do the same offer on ByBit, but you can't use that in the UK. But that is up to a $30,000 bonus as well. If you want to use that, go to savewithcrypto.org/ByBit. If you don't want to do KYC, or if you live in a restricted country, your best option, I reckon, is Blofin. And you can win up to $5,000 with my link, which is savewithcrypto.org/Blofin. So if you like the sound of all that, please do give the video a like. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you've got the notifications set on all. Leave a nice comment. And above all, tell your friends.